In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView from dark mode to light mode. If you're someone who prefers a brighter, more vibrant display while analyzing your market charts, this guide is just what you need. We understand that staring at a dark screen for extended periods can sometimes be challenging or less visually appealing for some traders. So, let's walk through the steps to modify your TradingView settings. First things first, you'll want to open any chart, which is the essential starting point for accessing your TradingView account settings. The chart is your main interface for interacting with TradingView, and having it in the view will provide easy access to all the controls you need. Once your chart is open, you'll notice a variety of icons in the top left corner. Among these, you'll find your profile icon. This icon typically looks like a small silhouette or an avatar, and it represents your personal account and profile information within TradingView. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings, preferences, and more. Navigating through this menu is key to tailoring your TradingView experience to suit your personal taste and convenience. Within this menu, you'll see various options, one of which is labeled Dark Theme. Right next to that label, there's a checkbox that, when checked, indicates that the dark theme is turned on, giving TradingView that sleek, moody look. To transition from the dark theme to a lighter one, simply uncheck this Dark Theme option. Clicking on the checkbox will remove the checkmark. As you do so, you'll notice that the interface starts to change instantly, flipping from dark to a fresh, lighter look. The colors on the charts, menus, and background will update to reflect the new theme choice. This immediate switch can make a significant difference in visibility and may help reduce eye strain for those who find light modes more comfortable. It's a simple yet effective way to change the aesthetic and atmosphere of your trading environment. And just like that, you've transformed your TradingView settings from dark mode to light mode. Remember, the choice of theme not only affects how things look, but also your overall user experience. So feel free to switch it up based on what works best for you. If at any point you decide to revert back or experiment with different themes in the future, these steps will guide you effortlessly through the process. Enjoy your trading with a backdrop that suits your personal style and keeps your focus sharp. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your TradingView experience. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.